¿Qué pasó, mam?
No, amor, nada. Ni me acuerdo para qué te había hablado. Oh, para que antes de que se fueran a arreglar en la sala.
Oh, okay. Okay, mom.
Bye.
Bye. We didn't do it.
Welcome back to season 5. Right now we're about to head out to Monzo's house, aka Big Nash. We're gonna go see what's up with him, probably play some games and stuff, but we're gonna go see Whittier, where the girls are prettier. So I wanted to tell y'all something, and I hope it catches on. You know how like in Mean Girls, she said fetch? From now on, I want to start using the word fushigi. Y'all remember the toy fushigi?
Yeah. Little orb.
So when something's ugly or whack or just lame, we're gonna start saying that's fushigi, or that shit looks fushigi, or she's fushigi.
That shit looks fushigi.
That shit looks fushigi, bro. So that's when I start using that term. So everyone start using fushigi, alright? Write fushigi in the comments.
Fushigi. Fushigi.
Right. Oh, we just got to this pad real quick. Let's see if he's home. I hope he's home. Fuck, he invited us. Oh, message.
5 double doubles, 3 chocolate shakes, and McFlurry.
Okay, and did you want straws with that?
Nah, I want to use my hands.
Okay, that'll be out. Give me 10 minutes.
All right, thank you.
Oh
yeah, are you home?
I think someone went down to open the door, I thought.
Alright, for sure.
Nice sauce. Face rug?
Oh yeah.
That's tight. You don't pick up your phone or what?
I didn't have it on me. This man knocked out.
Is he wearing underwear?
I'm just surfing on.
You're sleeping, my man. You're good.
Juan came in and just started playing rock. I was like,
Don't give a fuck. Add me at Patos Nation 14. Catch the smoke on Rocket League. If this video gets how many likes? 250. Damn. Cole's gonna let me have his PS5. That's right. Got one right here, just waiting to go. That's an Xbox. He's lying.
You got PS5s to spare.
So this is where the magic happens, huh? Whoa! Did I catch you in like mid laundry, putting away?
Nah, that's just how I keep it.
That's just my room, bro. Oh, by the way, guys, I wanted to show you guys. We got a new dead cat. So sound is gonna sound better. I know you can kind of hear the air conditioner, but we got a new dead cat. More upgrades for the camera. We're about to leave Monzo's house. We just got some sushi, but I think you guys want to see that shit. So on to the next thing. It was cool visiting him. Let's party. Thank you for having this.
Alright, catch you next time.
You guys ain't doing it. I'm probably coming back this weekend.
Alright.
We should do something cool though. Cheese. We're back at Memo's house. I know you guys haven't seen this place in a minute. We'll see what this was doing, cause we reunited and it feels so good. Go vegan. What up?
Hey, just after I get a double.
You got a double with?
What's up?
Double, oh, okay.
Oh god, I hate this team.
The fool doesn't get scared, dog. Oh, guys.
Looks like he's on acid, bro.
We got a new dog now. His name is Sasquatch, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look, Angel, make him do that belly thing. Sit down. Sit. Sit.
Come on, Sasquatch.
Ah, no, fuck that.
7 days a week.
I can't do it because she's here.
Just toss him, bro. Just show him what's in.
You like the camera, huh?
Yeah, he loves attention.
And parents always been.
And that's the new dog, Sasquatch. Sit. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Oh, we're also doing a quick surprise for Sierra. She's a girl with the thing on her teeth.
I thought it was behind the bar. They're supposed to wait, like down here.
I guess, but they fucking suck.
Oh, come on.
Oh, they're 21. Not that nice remote.
Oh my god!
Why you sunburned? Why you sunburned?
Belle never did come in.
Who burned her? Surprise, Carla! Oh, wait, never mind. We missed it. This part of the video, Carla's gonna teach us her brand new TikTok dance. Ready, Carla? Go.
It's like hard.
And that's it for Carla's TikTok dance. Clarissa, listen to the camera with a vague as thought process.
What?
Perfect. Make sure you guys watch the Eric Andre show.
What the fuck?
Hey, you guys are in love, huh? Oh yeah, you guys haven't.
I have my mask.
We got the music.
Son,
working. So.
are you winning?
Winning what?
Wow, doesn't watch TikTok, God. Gen, whatever he is.
What's after Gen Z? Is he Gen Z?
You still Gen Z? Yo, guys, let us know what Gen Z, Gen X, Gen R, or JP, J whatever.
Nothing yet.
We don't know what the difference is. Put the fucking dates. Sick, dude. You boxed, dude.
He goes flying.
Come out of it.
The J's, dude. What if I just stepped on the boys?
Oh, fucking smack you.
Smack me, boy, on some. What? Yo, we just found Karime's McChicken, bro.
Under the sweater. It was under the sweater.
McChickens, dude? You have more money than that. That's peasant food.
You should have hit a fucking sirloin steak down there.
She just has A5 Wagyu under the car.
We're on our way to get some wings.
What?
Yep.
Hype man?
What?
Like if he's rapping?
Some squirt for some tequila.
I thought you said sub and squirt. Subscribe. Anyways.
Make sure I get some squirt. Yums, we just got the fooskies, Carla. My personal favorite.
Fries for everyone.
My personal favorite is Hawaiian and barbecue. And lemon pepper. That's the only flavor you should get. Fuck the spicy shit. Not for me. I like fucking up her and shitting fireballs. Like,
That's a miss. I don't shit.
like Super Mario.
Here's your dinner. And don't forget the ranch.
Antonio.
It's a lifestyle.
Jetson came in with an FN. Two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Sat them both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. Finish right now if I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friends. Shit ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire, you off hand. Told me to this ain't something that you do often. I can't say the same, so use caution. Just saying, came in with an F and 2 girls with him, told me he ain't got a preference. Said I'm both down when I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. 2 at a time laying in my bed. One at the top and the other give me head. Girl on girl, I love the taste. You can run around, I love the chase. If you need a break cause you thirsty, don't trip cause I know you're burning up. She say she love me but she want her to fuck
Travel! We're at the club right now, dude. Wait, no!
Don't do it!
What do you
You got him!
Wait, no! He gets it. He lost.
Hey! No!
Hey, let him get busy, my style.
Want to catch up?
Flip.
Oh, I know.
Come on, Paco!
All right. Let's go. Good. Next. Let's go. All the way.
Come on, Carla, you got this, Carla!
Alright, I gotta take one out.
You're out.
Didn't I say? I just got kicked out of my own game.
We both did.
They know we're the best. First ones out are always the best.
No.
Yeah. Who is she? Like,
We do have more.
Angel, if you fuck this up, you're walking home.
I'm the one driving home, man.
I know.
Alright, they're going.
Yeah.
Flip it. One more. You're off the team. That was the hype music.
I drink a lot. Like I feel so loaded. She said no more.
Wait. Winner takes a body shot off the loser.
What the fuck, Antonio?
You let her win. We saw you.
Did you simp?
Stop, you let me win.
Why'd you let her win? Hey, at the end of the day, you win too, my boy. Hey, you might have lost, but you won in the end.
Second place.
Good job.
He's saying how far.
I'll get her next year, guys.
We just finished Memo's cake back. It was a good time. Time to go home. I'm a little buzzed. What the fuck was that? I spit. Oh, you spit? Oh, shit. Time to go home. Thank you guys for watching. See you till next time. If this ain't the end of the video, to the next thing. Fuck Angel. I wanna thank her. Well, they're fucking jumping that food.
Wait, record it. Go.
Hey, get her! Fucking get her!
How many of y'all got hurt?
When I keep my foot in my pants.
Fuck, dude. Get her?
He's like, everybody get her.
Get him? Get her.
Get her. Grab her by the head.